basic functionality of Outlook. How you can send an email, reply to an email, forward an email, and what are the available options and folders within Outlook for your configured email. So without further ado, let's dive into the demo. As you have your Outlook opened, always the best suggestion is to pin your Outlook to the taskbar so you could daily and easily use the Outlook. If not, you always have to go to your search section and search for Outlook and open your Outlook. So the first screen load up while we open Outlook is our inbox. That's the place where all our emails from the people who send to us are coming. Then we have multiple folders, default folders. That's a draft, sent items, deleted items, junk mails, and outbox. These folders are self-explanatory, so I don't want to go through each of them. As you can understand from the wording, each of them is for different functions. We will just double click on one of the email that we receive to see the options. As you can see, this is a test email sent while we were testing the account. So I have these options that I could use. I could reply that to somebody. As you can see, this is how the reply will look like. I could reply all if there are multiple email address, or if it's CC'd to somebody else, carbon copy, we will click reply all, so even those CC email addresses will come. Or I could forward that. I don't want to reply to the particular person who sent that email to me, but I want to forward that to my colleagues. So here the exact message is forward, even if it has an attachment. It's a best practice always to forward an email that has an attachment. While you are doing a reply, with the reply the attachment will not go. So here you just type in the email of the person that you want to send, and then you put somebody else that you want to CC, and then you click on send. So these are the basic functionality of how to send an email, reply to an email, forward an email, reply all.